I love you, and that is that. And remember, you're the best in the world, hen.
นี่พวกแกคิดว่าการเป็นแมวมันง่ายนักเหรอรู้ไหมว่าวันๆฉันต้องเจอกับอะไรบ้างขอบใจมากที่เลี้ยงดูพวกเราอย่างดี
He just like took over your phone. What you want, you big old?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Princess, what's up? No, tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
S.
Oh, more, okay.
Why does she have her paw up like she's asking me a question? Yes, Stella, what do you want, baby? Do you want rubby dubbies? Yes, you do. It's so cute. Baby girl, I love you. Rosie. 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 Rosie.
I'm trying to give you more. You know want more? No? Okay. Did you fall in the bath?
Apparently it likes its bacon.
Merv, you excited about Christmas?
Good morning, good morning. Do, 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 do. Good morning, good morning. Do, 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 do.
Evet, pirelerimi kardeşimin üstüne dökelim.
Get the fishies. Good kitty.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
The peep show.
Ma'am. Inappropriate. Mabel. Oh. Mama. Mama. Mama.
Can I help you?
Контеситу покажи.
Why can't you stole my beer?
Zor, zor.
Rich. Son.
That would be my big fat ass.
Tango, Tango, don't touch the chicken. Don't touch the chicken.
Do a spin.
Go. Go, fat mama. Get her. Get her. Get her. This isn't Tom and Jerry. Come on. Aw, man.
Work out for so long on your bike and realize you've been doing it wrong this whole time? I mean, clearly, what was I thinking? What?
Oh, you know why I feed you?
What is wrong with you? Marshall, you can't go outside and see your girlfriends. I'm sorry.
What is that?
It's the raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
There's Chloe sleeping. Chloe. Chloe. Good morning. Good morning.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on, get up. Yeah.
We have a cat, and we named it Puff. We named it Puff because of its little tuff.
Someone stinks like buck poo. Bad. I smelled it earlier and now it's back. Whatever the smell is, it's fucking back.
I think I know what it is.
It's really stinky.
Do you see that? The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
There's no fucking way we're literally making this happen right now. There's no fucking way. Yes.
Yeah, you finna get in trouble. Both of y'all.
Tap.
This is my cat with the big round eyes filter. Let's see what your cat looks like with this filter.
Who did this?
Oh, look! A dandelion! Must be the last one this season.
What's going on? Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
You really should. They're so funny. While we're
What the hell is this? Get out of me. Get out. Get. There's still a donut in there. Oh my god. What's in?
I have a question for everybody. Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando?
Me.
Açıyorum. Açmayacağım. Kandırdım seni.
As a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herd.
Lewat sini, hei. Lewat sini. Nah. Lebay banget. Woi, lebay banget lu.
Has anybody seen Mr. Cutie? Cutie, where are you? Cutie.
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at, nigga?
She's freaking out about me going back to school.
You paused it, babe. There you go.
Ghosty.
Push the other one. Is that good?
Yes. Oh!